kayo muna kung bisita sa labas ng ating boundary. Kasi I choose Kingdom of Saudi Arabia kasi it is of our national interest na bigyan ko na importansya kasi maraming Pilipino dito. It would really benefit everybody if I show the utmost goodwill to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and for hosting the 17,000 of Filipinos who are here in the Philippines. Punta ako rito kaya talagang binigyan ko kay praise the premium of importance in my visit to Saudi Arabia. Ito yung inuna ko kasi it is of our national interest. Kasi nandito kayo, pinakamabigat ang Pilipino. Talaga naman po yung warm felicitations. Alam mo mga kababayan natin, as a matter of fact, we are still live na daladala po ang mainit nila pagkabati sa inyo.
Thank you, Mr. President.
And more than enough of the greeting is really my heartfelt gratitude to you for helping the country, for remitting the money that we need badly to run our economy. And in this way, Saudi Arabia also participated in the education program. Kasi yun ang pinapadala ninyo, yung po yung ginagastos para sa eskwela, in the schooling of our children, and about gagamit natin sa mabuting paraan. Well, anyway, I have promised only about 5 things during the campaign. At isa-isa ko sa inyo ngayon ang nagawa ko so far. But I have said, first of all, if we are to rise again, we would need to stamp out graft and corruption. Pawalan na yan at yung droga, yan ang tinutukan mo. It is to my everlasting gratitude to the King and to the Saudi Arabian government for supporting us along this time. We are very happy. I would like to thank you again for this warm welcome.
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Salamat ninyo. Malapit nang mag-uwi kayo sa airport ng mga Wisconsin.
Thank you!
No more opening of the banks or the open policy. Kaya immigration, kaya Victor, sabi ko, all of them will go up. Papalitan ko sila na. So they're very careful. Just to really pasalamat sa inyo sa suporta ninyo dito sa akin. Ang voting ninyo, alam ba ninyo ang binigay nyo sa akin? It's about 74%. Ang total votes dito para sa akin. Salamat po. Na ako ang pinili ninyo kasi ako bayan ko lang. Wala na akong my term as president begins and ends with public interest. Period. I'm ready to send you iba.
Duterte! Duterte!